Sir, we can't hear your voice, sir. You are in mute.
Oh, okay, sorry. Yeah. So I just started. So thank you for remembering. So write a program to find the number of vowels, consonants, and numbers in the given string. Okay, so that's the program we are writing. Let's get started. So public static void. So count vowels, consonants, numbers. String str. So see everything parameterized methods I'm creating, because you have to give a string, whatever the string user can give, in that string we have to find out. So that is the main important points here. Okay, now so maybe you can just print all the string. Original string is, so I'm just printing the string, what string they have given. User has inputted what string, so I'm printing that. The next one is, so declare all the variables. Next step is declare. So v count, c count, and n count. So these variables says 0. So all the variables you declared as a 0. Initially there is nothing. Later I am going to count those variable values. So even if you want a special characters, you can add a special characters also. You can add a special characters also if you want, if they ask you. Okay, if your string has a special characters, they ask to calculate a number of special characters in the given string, so we add one more variable here. Okay, and now iterate the string. So iterate the string, so using for loop. Using for loop, for bracket, so int I equal to 0, I less than str dot length, and I plus plus. So if, so str dot caret of I is equal to, so first you check with alphabets, okay, all the vowels, basically you check vowels. So str dot caret of I is equal to, they can give either cap letter also, right? So that's a both I am checking. So then str dot caret of, so maybe if you want to reduce, you can take into one variable here, so the character. Suppose I don't want to repeat this multiple times, what I can do, char c equal to, I can do that here. So now I can say, okay, if c equal to a and c equal to capital A, or c equal to AE, right? AE, or c equal to capital E, or so c equal to AE IOU, I, c equal to capital I, AE I, So C equal to small o, C equal to O, C equal to U capital V. So this is the how you can write. Then increment the V count by 1. So vowels count by 1. Increment the vowels count by 1. So V count. Oh, I commented out.
We haven't declared.
So okay. So now you will get it. Plus plus. Okay. So now it will increment. Else if so C, so greater than or equal to A, okay, or C, even if greater than or equal to capital A. So capital A also we need to check. And okay, so and you check that this is all in one bracket. Okay, this is the one bracket. So I'll keep in this one bracket. And C, C less than or equal to small z, or C less than or equal to capital Z. That is the case. Then you increment the so C count, consonants count by 1. So C plus plus. So else if. So again, if you want numbers, right? Numbers means, so numbers start with where?
Yes, sir. Zero, sir.
0. So single quotes 0, and C value is less than or equal to 9. If that is the case, so what we need to do? You have to increment the numbers count by 1. N count plus plus. Special characters, if you want, you can just put else. Special characters. If all these are not, then you can see just put else. So special characters you need to declare first. Okay. Special character count also increment. SP C plus plus. Then you print all the values after all the for loop. So I'm printing. So number of vowels is plus V count. So number of consonants. C count. So number of so is n count. Number of special characters. So that is the how you can calculate the number of characters, vowels, consonants in a given string. Okay, so let's execute. So number of vowels 5. So can you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? 5 vowels. Consonants M, N, V, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exactly. And number is 1, only 2. And special character C, at the rate, twice. So this is the how you can calculate in the given string. It will calculate anywhere. Okay. So that is the one program. Next one. So you need to find out, okay, you need to swap the given two strings. So we have seen swapping the numbers, right? We have seen swapping the numbers in the initial days. So methods topic I explained that how to swap given two integer numbers with third variable, without third variable. I have shown you both. Now, how can you swap two strings? So this is also one program, right? Let's target this. So this is all again, you're going to use two methods. That's it. Yesterday I explained the last two methods I forgot and I explained again. What are those methods? You all struggled with positions. So what are those methods? Anybody remember those methods? Because you didn't read them. You haven't practiced. Even I didn't post.
Subs.
Exam nobody written, huh? Only Bhargav you attempted?
Right, sir.
Completed, huh?
Completed, sir.
How many
Repeated
marks you
question
got?
should be 0, sir. That's it.
0, ah?
I
Yeah,
also
sir.
written, sir.
Sir,
I also got it.
I will write it both times, sir. There is no correct answer showing and result is showing 0, sir. Once I
Yes, sir.
checked, I have given to 30 to 40 correct answers, but still giving 0.
Oh,
Is there an issue
we
with
have to see.
the
We have to see
yes, sir.
something wrong with the key,
Yes, sir.
answer key. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine then. But you check it, right? What, how many are correct, how many are so.
Yes, sir. I know, sir. I know, sir.
Okay.
Nearly
So
55 to 60 is correct. Remaining is wrong. I will correct it to both sides, but that's why wrong.
good, good, good. Yeah, yesterday I didn't give exercise, so you also didn't write. Hmm? So completely stopped no doing exercises.
No, no, sir.
That's a dangerous
Yesterday,
bill. That's a
yesterday we
dangerous bill.
try to write one more side in my exam. That's why I'm
Okay,
very
fine.
confused.
Okay, so the next program is swap given two strings. Swap given. Whoever not doing exercises is going to be a problem. So keep that in mind. So don't say I don't have a time. Even I don't have time. Still I am doing it. Okay. So that's not the cause at all. I'm doing lot of things in one day. Why can't we do? With one thing, why can't you do? And the second task he added for you. That's it. Right? So practice, practice. So that will help you. If you are keep on dragging, and that will be a problem. Swap given two strings. String S1 equal to, for example, good morning. Right? You will take a good morning only. So string S2 equal to morning. So the output should be, so S1 equal to, what do you get? Morning. It should swap.
Morning.
S1 value should go to S2, S2 value should come to
Value.
S1.
Yes.
So, and S2 equal to, good. So this is the output you need to get it. So how can we get that? Public static void swap string. So before swapping S1 value, so S2 value. Can you all mute? A lot of noise is coming. Yeah, thank you. So first step one is concatenate the both the strings and assign to one string. That's what we did, right? Even a equal to a plus b in the integers also. Same concept you follow here also. Step one, but you will use a substring methods. So to get the required strings, because in S1 you have a good morning combinedly. Concatenate two strings. So S1 equal to S1 plus S2. Now in step 2, so what we need to do is fetch S2. So because here you will get a good morning. This is the one you are going to get it. So good morning you are going to get it. You have to get S. So S2 value. So what you are going to do? From this you have to get a S2 value. So fetch S2 value S2 from S1 using substring method. So substring method int start index. So int end index. Int start index, int end index. So S2 equal to S1 dot substring 0. That means first one, right? 0 means so this one, first one, right? So this is one I want, right? This is the one I want. So it has to swap, right? So good I want. So now see 0 and the end index. So end index is going to be, so you have to reduce total length. You reduce the S2 length. S1 dot length. S1 dot length minus S2 dot length.
So dot.
That is the one. See, now you will get S1 length means this total minus you are reducing this one. So you will obviously will get this one. So next step 3. So you need to fetch the S1 value and using step 2 value. Fetch S1 value using substring with a one index. So that will give you S1 equal to S1 dot substring of S2 dot length. That's it. So sort after swapping
After
S1 and S2 value. Okay, so this is the swap method.
correct only, man.
Next, so our next program is,
మీ మమ్మీ లేచింది.
so next program you have to, okay, let's call this and then we can raise. Tomorrow we'll write another 3-4 programs are there. Yeah, there are more programs are there. We have to, let's write another 2 more programs, then we can so finish tomorrow. Otherwise tomorrow we have to finish all the string methods, so very important. So Wednesday we are going to start the collections. By next week we'll close entire Java. So this week half of week with the strings only it went. Collections it will take 1 week definitely. So, and you can take anything, right? Good. Okay. See, after swapping, S1 is a morning, S2 is good. Initially, before swapping, S1 is good, S2 is morning. Okay, that is the one. Let's target a few more programs, at least another 2 programs, and then we can. So next, I want to reverse a string sentence. So now we have seen a string, right? So I hope you can do this, right? Can you try this? How can you do? First, tell me. Suppose I have a string like this, sentence. I have a sentence. If anybody can tell this approach, then I will leave it to you, this guy. Because already given reverse, right? The same. See, this one is to write a program to reverse entire sentence. Entire sentence. So string s equal to suppose ramesh QA automation platform. So this is the sentence, right? I want to reverse this. I want to reverse. Reverse means what? These words, sentences you have to reverse. So platform first, then automation second, then QA, then Ramesh has to come at the end. So the output should be
Platform, automation, QA.
yeah. It has to come like this. Platform, automation,
Automation,
QA.
QA, Ramesh.
So it has to print like this. So what is your approach? Can you solve or you want me to do that? Anybody
This
have
one
idea?
is substring.
So I want algorithmic steps. If you have an idea, tell me algorithmic steps, how you will solve it.
Okay.
Just very high level. This is what sometimes they will ask in the interviews also. So you
First,
don't
we
need to
have
write
to.
a code, just tell me high level how we will solve it. Okay, you are trying. Yeah, go ahead.
First, we have to declare, sir, what we have to do.
What you need to declare?
First, we have to declare the sentence, I think.
Sentence, anyhow,
How?
you are going to take as an input.
Ha.
So parameterized method you are going to create.
Ha.
That is okay.
And
Next step.
ne- next string. Substring is substring dot into.
No, 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 it doesn't work out. Anybody else? Okay. So basically you have to convert this string into string array. How you can convert this string into string array?
From
Each
start
each
each word
separate from this
zero.
string. What can you do?
Okay.
How can you separate? Hmm? How can you do that?
So word we have to separate, sir.
Hmm.
Okay.
Yesterday also I
Sir?
explained all this.
Yeah, 0, 1. First word we taken 0, 1. Second.
So
Then by giving first number and last.
before reverse, the string is.
Sir, can we use string as a string array is equal to str dot split?
Yeah, you have to use a split method.
Yeah, sir.
You have to use a
Then
split.
reverse it string.
First step one is split the string
String
based
array.
on space. So based on space, you have to split string array. So all the words array equal to str dot.
Dot split.
That's it. Or
Split.
you can use a regular expression. This one is backward slash s means it is a so space slashes represent the space. Slashes represent the space.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Next you got the array and you need to iterate the array, right? Next step 2, declare. So declare, so reverse a string. So reverse, so string variable. So string reverse str equal to null. Just blank. Just give the blank. Next, step 3 is iterate it. So iterate the words array from last word onwards. So for so int I equal to words dot length minus 1 and I greater than or equal to 0 I minus minus. So if so you check if I equal to 0, that means first one is 0 and you can just assign that. So reverse str equal to so reverse str plus words of array of I, right? Same you can repeat that else. So you can just so give and you give the space here, one space. So you have to give a space also here because you want every word after space, right? That's why if one word means no need space. If multiple words means every word after I need to give a space. To fill this space, I am adding a space again here. So that is the one, and that's it. So after reverse is plus reverse str. Okay, that's it, guys. These are all very important programs. These are all practice. So I'll give that only, or whatever the string I explained. I'll take this only. Okay. So let's execute this. Yeah. See that? Okay. So that's all, and tomorrow we'll see